This is one of the mistakes you won't like to make when linking your foreign bank account to Amazon KDP. Do you know that many authors are losing their hard-earned royalties because they set up their payments the wrong way and Amazon doesn't warn you? We all can testify. But before we get into it, I would like to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for showing up again. I appreciate you. And if this is your first time seeing me here, you are welcome to Creative Army's family. On this channel, I share practical tips and tutorials on how to leverage the online space through Amazon KDP, digital marketing, WhatsApp marketing, YouTube and TikTok tutorials, and so many other things that will help you to make money in this digital era. If this sounds like what you're interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more helpful videos like this, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming future videos. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to connect your foreign bank account like Gray, Pioneer or Wise the right way so you can receive your money without issues or delays. And here's the best part. I'll also review a secret trick to maximize your earnings and avoid common payout problems. So stay with me to the end because missing even one step could cost you money. Let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is to come over to a browser. Come over to a browser and type kdp.amazon.com. When you get to this point, click on the one that you see self-publishing, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Click on it. At this point where you see welcome to Kindle Direct Publishing, if you already have an account, all you need to do is to sign in. So this video is all about linking your foreign account to Amazon KDP, right? So I'll go ahead and click on sign in. But like if this is your first time creating an account with Amazon KDP, you need to click on join KDP. And if you want to learn how to create your Amazon account first before linking your foreign account, because that's the first thing you need to do before coming to this part. If you want to learn how to do that, there is a video that I did, so I will leave the link on the description. Go ahead and watch the video, okay? It will help you, it will guide you on how to create your Amazon KDP account at ease. So I'll click on sign in. It will bring you to this point now. All you need to do is to write your email. It's the email you use to open your Amazon account. Don't forget that. When you write your email, click on continue. Write your password. So when you are done writing your password, click on sign in. You can go ahead and save the password. Now you'll get to this point where they say two-step verification. All you have to do is to go to your Authenticator app. Go to the Authenticator app and copy the code. So I'll minimize this. Long press and copy the code. Go back to your browser and paste the code here where you see enter OTP. So paste it here and click on sign in. You will get to this point where they said action needed, your account is not complete. So in order for you to complete your account, you need to link in your foreign account and then remove the 30% tax. So in this video, we are only going to talk about linking your foreign bank account. Go ahead and click on this. Go ahead and click on United States. If your account is British pound, you need to choose United Kingdom. After choosing the state, scroll down. You will see type of account. So all you need to do at this point is to go to your Gray account. Go back to your Gray account that you just opened. So this is my Gray account. If you open a new browser, type gray.co, then log into your Gray account, or you can simply download the app. Click on this three dash that you are seeing up. Then click on accounts. So when you get to this point, all you need to do is to scroll down. You can see your US bank account details here. So let's check the account type. You can see that it's in checking. Come back here. Come back to your Amazon. The account type, leave it checking because that's the account type. That's your own account type, okay? So you need to check it. It's it's very, very important that you check all this. Now, account number, go back. Go back to your gray. You can see account number. Like they have given you everything. All you need to do is just to copy. Long press copy. Go to your Amazon and paste. Account number, paste it here. Re-enter account number. Repaste it here. Scroll down. You will see routing number. Go to your gray. Go back to your gray and check for it. You will see wire routing. That's the sentence. So go ahead and copy it. Go ahead and copy the routing. Go back to your Amazon. Paste it here. Now business type, leave it on individual. Date of birth. Click on this icon that you are seeing here that looks like a bus. Choose your date of birth. Choose the year first. When you choose the year, you then choose the month and the day. Then account holder name. Go back to your gray. That's the way you'll be copying it one after the other. Even if you open Pioneer, Wise, Clever, or GeekPay, anyone you open, anyone you choose, this is the way you will copy it. Every details you need, they have already provided it. All you need to do is to copy, go to your Amazon and paste. So the account name, long press on it, copy. Go back to your Amazon, long press and paste. Account holder address. Click on select existing address. Take this where you see number 6 dawa dawa. Just go ahead, click on it and click on use this address. When you are done filling in all the details, scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see add. Click on add. And after that, click on save. Now, here is a secret trick most people don't know. If you want to avoid delays or maybe failed payment, make sure the currency in your foreign account matches the one Amazon KDP pays in. Let me now explain this. Amazon sends payments in different currencies like USD, British pounds or euro, depending on the marketplace you are selling in. If your bank support multiple currencies like Pioneer or Gray, you should select the same currency Amazon pays you in. Do you understand? This way, you won't lose money to unnecessary conversations and your payments will go through smoothly without delays. So before you link your foreign account, double check the payment like the payout currency. Do you understand? Before you link by your foreign account, double check the payout currency. Trust me, this small step can save you a lot of stress later on. So thank you so much for watching to this moment. Thank you for spending your time with me. Now that you know the right way to link your foreign account to Amazon KDP, you are one step closer to receiving your royalty without stress. But remember, getting this setup right is just the beginning. There are more tips and strategies that can help you make even more money on Amazon KDP. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that I'm actually creating content that you found valuable and helps more potential people like you discover this channel. And if you haven't joined the Creative Armies family yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you never miss out on more practical tips and tutorials to help you grow and succeed in online space. Drop a comment below if you have any question or if there is a particular topic you would like me to cover in my next video. Thanks for spending your time with me today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep pushing forward and never stop believing in yourself. Bye for now, and I will see you soon.